So this happened. What's up, everyone, and thank you for joining me in my YouTube fitness travel vlog. So today we have a great topic. There's a reason why I started with that intro video, and it ties in today with today's topic, which is exercise product every athlete should use. All right, and that is the one and only foam roller. Sorry I don't have a smaller size, but this size works for me. They do have smaller sizes and larger sizes, different colors. And I will leave a link. You can find it on Amazon, online, anywhere from $10, depending on the size, to about $25 to $30. You can also find it at Walmart, TJ Maxx, Target, things like that. So, before we get in a couple demonstrations exercise with the foam roller, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and go ahead and like and subscribe that first video for a chance to win our first giveaway, which is an Apple Watch, cash prize, and fitness gear. All you guys have to go like and subscribe. All right, it's that easy. All right, so now, with that being said, I started off with the back. Make sure if you have a hoodie on, keep the hoodie up, because I definitely choked myself the first time I did that. So make sure your hood is up when you're doing that. And I like to do, I like to work out each muscle for around 20 to 30 seconds. Here I'm doing hamstrings. Been doing a lot of lower body things, explosive speed with football coming up. So doing lower legs is crucial. Sometimes I do my lats, but today's workout I really wasn't going to use them at all. Now I'm working my way down to my calves. And like I said, 20 to 30 seconds is great. I do this pre-workout and then post-workout. It's great for soreness. All right, it's great for it helps blood flow, break up scar tissue. It's crucial. Every athlete, you guys need to use this. And sorry I had to change the setting. A girl needed to use the mirrors for her show coming up. But here's an example of a different foam roller with spikes, and it really digs deep into your tissue, your muscles. You guys, you can use your heel. You can see when I did the back, I used my heel to kind of go up and down in my arms. That's pretty much it. All right. So just a quick video of a couple exercises that I use with the foam roller to make sure I stretched out. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to that first video to win a free Apple Watch, cash prize, and fitness gear. It's that easy. And like and subscribe to this video, guys. And make sure you guys leave comments of any fitness content you guys like to see. I do read the comments, and I am working on some of those videos you guys want to see. Go and get it. It's that old school way.